In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Android. If your phone is buzzing too often, lighting up constantly, or distracting you throughout the day, turning off notifications can make a big difference. Android gives you a few easy ways to control this. Whether you want to silence one specific app, stop notifications directly from your notification panel, hide alerts on your lock screen, or temporarily quiet everything using Do Not Disturb. Let's start with the most common method through the Settings app. Open Settings on your Android phone, then tap Notifications. On some devices, this option may be labeled Apps and Notifications, so don't worry if the wording looks a little different. From there, tap App Notifications or Manage Notifications. You'll now see a list of apps that are allowed to send alerts. Select the app you want to stop notifications from, then turn off. Allow notifications, or on some phones, show notifications. Once that switch is off, that app will no longer send you alerts. There's also a faster method if you already have a notification from the app on your screen. Swipe down from the top of your phone to open the notification shade. Find the notification you want to manage, then touch and hold it. This usually opens a shortcut menu for that app's notification settings. Tap Settings, then either turn off notifications completely for that app or adjust specific notification types if you only want to silence certain alerts while keeping others active. This option is especially useful if you want more control without digging through full settings menus. If your main concern is privacy or distractions on the lock screen, Android also lets you stop lock screen notifications. Open Settings, tap Notifications, then look for notifications on lock screen or lock screen notifications. The exact name can vary depending on your device. Select Don't Show Notifications. This means alerts won't appear on your lock screen, which can help keep your information private and make your phone feel less cluttered when it's sitting idle. And if you don't want to turn notifications off permanently, you can use Do Not Disturb instead. Go to Settings, then Notifications, then Do Not Disturb. This mode temporarily silences interruptions, which is perfect for sleeping, working, studying, or anytime you need a break from constant alerts. As you can see, Android gives you several simple ways to manage notifications depending on what you need. Whether you want to block one noisy app, hide lock screen alerts, or temporarily silence everything, these settings can help you create a calmer and more focused phone experience.